Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Alya Maisarah Binti Zakaria. Before I begin, let me ask you a question. Which leg would you use to shoot a ball on a target if you were requested to do so? Or which hand do you hold to brush while brushing your teeth? Let us watch this video first.
Which turns out to be an important part of the puzzle. Our brains are cross-wired, meaning that the right hand is controlled by the left side and vice versa. But that doesn't mean our brain's symmetrical. And the 89% of right-handers' brains broke as areas located only in the left hemisphere. And in left-handers' brains, it's also on the left, 70% of the time. Only 19% of lefties process speech in the right hemisphere, and 20% of them use both.
Okay, now you know which side of your brain is dominant. And do you know there are many interesting facts about being left-handed, which is the right side brain dominant. So today, I would like to talk about 3 facts about being left-handed, which is make up roughly 10 to 12% of the population, have unique brain organization, and is better at multitasking. To begin, let me discuss the first main point, which is make up roughly 10 to 12% of the population. Left-handedness is less common and can be found in about 10 to 12% in individuals on Earth. Over time, the percentage of left-handed people has risen. It is estimated that in 1860, the left hand was 2%, and in 1920, 4%, and currently 10 to 12%. The number of right-handed people is believed to be around 87% of the world, and around 1% is thought to be ambidextrous, which means they can use both hands competently. Now that you can see how rare is left-handed people in the world, let us look at the second fact, which is unique brain organization. If you are left-handed, your brain works differently from right-handed people, according to scientists of the University of Oxford. The two sides of your brain, particularly in the areas of language, are more coordinated. This means that you might find yourself having ability that others do not have. Sometimes, this finding is also linked to the claim that left-handed people are better at art and music. But this claim is debatable because there is not enough scientific evidence to back it up. According to research published in the American Journal of Psychology, difference in divergent thinking as a function of handedness and sex by Stanley Coren, left-handed people are better at divergent thinking, a method of idea generation that explores a wide range of possible solutions, which favor outside of the box brainstorming. Now, you understand that not only being a left-handed people is unique, but so is their brain. Last but not least, the third facts are better at multitasking. In those who are left-handed, thoughts between the left and right hemisphere appear to be processed faster. Left-handed people have always had to face challenges in life regarding handedness, so they have always to tackle the difficulties swiftly. The communication between the two hemispheres in the brain of the left is much easier for them to focus on multiple activities and multiple tasks. Now, you know some fascinating facts you might never have heard of before. You should now understand these 3 facts and gain something from them, which are make up roughly 10 to 12% of population, unique brain organization, and better at multitasking. Apart from these 3 facts, all of these mean left-handed have many reasons to feel special because they are rare, for after all, the large majority of people are right-handed. James T. DeCalb and Sandy Schaffler, the book writer of the world's greatest left-hander, where left-handed are just plain better than everyone else, one says, left-handed are wired into the artistic half of the brain, which makes them imaginative, creative, surprising, ambiguous, exasperating, stubborn, emotional, witty, obsessive, infuriating, delightful, original, but never ever dull. I guess that's all from me. Thank you.